Yo, today I'm going to record a short video about for loops and while loops, and I will start with the for loop. In order to explain it, I will create a short example of a list. Let's say it will be some list, and let's say it will be a list of names: Alex, Dan, Shane, and last one today. Right, now let's create the for loop. Let's say we want to print all the elements inside the list. So for let's say for name in some list, so for each name, this is the new variable in some list. Each time one of these names will be inserted to the name variable, and we want to print it, print name. Okay, all right, so you can see we just printed all the names inside the list. It doesn't matter how long the list, we're going to print all the elements inside this list using the for loop. Now let's show an example of while. Let's say we want to make a guess a name game. First of all, I will define a function guess name, which will do, let's say, name. We want to get a name from a user. Input, please enter a name. Okay, and we want to return it back. Now I will show you two examples of while loop usage. The first one will be while, let's say, okay, guest. I'm going to define an empty variable for the while loop. While guest name is not equal, let's say, Alex is not equal to Alex. So as long as it's not equal to Alex, what do we want to do? We want to keep on calling the guess name method. Let's see. No, want to save it here. Okay, so this should work. Let's check it. Hold on, what's the problem? Oops, sorry. Okay, guess name. Okay, let's see. Done. Incorrect. Please. Incorrect. Let's say Alex. Okay. As you can see, this is the way how the loop works. As long as this condition is true, we're going to run everything inside this while loop. Let me show you a little bit better way how to use the while loop. Say we want to keep on running it, we want to keep on calling the same method, but with some additional text. So as long as all this loop will be true, we want to, okay, first of all, call call this method. I don't know why I erased it. Guest name. And we want to check it. If guest name equals to Alex, we want to print correct name. Okay, and we want to break it. We want to break the while loop at this point. In case if this is not equals, and print correct name, please try again. Okay, let's run. And Dave, as you can see, we get the text incorrect name, please try again. Done. Alexander, let's put Alex. Correct name, hooray. So this is basically how you can use while and for loop. Nothing I mean other methods that can be used here and can be found over the internet, but the general overview of these loops, this is exactly what I explained in this tutorial. So see ya in the next tutorial.